Welcome everybody. I just wanted to take this opportunity and wish you happy Easter. I hope you're gonna spend this time with your family, with your friends, and you will enjoy yourself. And maybe you'll find a bit of time to spend it in your workshop or in your shed to build something awesome from wood. I wish you all the best for this Easter. Now this year I decided I'm not going to do any additional projects for Easter themed, as I actually do have quite a few of them already on my channel and I didn't want to create any more. And to be absolutely honest with you, I was way too busy with my garden to actually make or create any projects like that, and I still got a lot to do in my workshop as well. However, I already do have a playlist of videos that are Easter themed, and I'm gonna leave links to those videos down below in the description of this video and in the pinned comment as well. And I also will run a couple of clips from those videos so you can see what projects I've made, and if they pique your interest, well, the links are down below in the description, so you can go ahead, check them out and maybe make them yourself for this Easter if you still got time, or maybe save those projects somewhere, add them to your list and make them for next year. And yes, you will see my old workshop in the UK, the single bay garage as well. And also I wanted to tell you that I'm going to be taking a week off for Easter period to sort out a couple of things, mainly the garden. I need to really catch up with that, and I want to do something with the window. That's going to be my main first project, and that will take me a few days to do, I think, at least to get it to the first stage, somewhere where I want to be with it. So yeah, next week there won't be any videos, maybe a couple of shorts, but probably that's about it. But obviously the videos will resume from the week after. This is also a good opportunity if you want to see any specific videos. If you want me to cover a specific project, topic or anything like that, you know what the comment section is. Let me know and I'll add your ideas to my to-do list. And I do have some really cool videos in the near future that were requested by some of my viewers. So make sure to leave a comment if you want me to tackle a specific project. Any topics are fine. woodworking related, maybe tool related, maybe you want to find out something about a specific tool I've got in my workshop, or maybe some laser work as well. Anything goes, you know what the comment section is. But yes, just a very quick video today, guys. I just wanted to wish you happy Easter, have a fantastic time, and hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Take care.